Welcome to the Gyan Niketan Girls School. Myself Tannu Srivastava presenting the topic Mail Merge. Mail Merge is the feature of the word processing software. Mail Merge is a feature with the most data processing application that enables the user to send a similar letter or the document to multiple recipients. It enables connecting a single form template with a data source that contains information about the recipient's name, address, and other predefined and supported data. It saves our time and energy. Suppose when we have to send a same letter, same information to the multiple person, so every time we will change the address, that is the time taking process and the wastage of time and effort. But using this feature, we store all the information in our computer and simply tag the recipients to whom we want to send the letter. That's why it saves our time and energy. Now the data source. Data source consists of the mailing list. The data is organized in the tabular form. Tabular form, that means all the information containing in table. You know the table? The data source is associated with the main documents so that its field name can be used in the main document. It contains the list like the name, address, city, PIN, telephone number, etc. It becomes easy to merge addresses with the main document. Now we will know the main document. Main document is the simple content which you want to send. The content you write in the MS Word document, that is called the main document. Suppose you are writing the application, so that application is the main document. Now the merge field. Merge field is a data item such as name, address, city, PIN, which instructs about where to insert the data sources. Data sources, that means we contain all the information, you know that. Here we will see different steps to create the mail merge. Creating a mail merge document. Creating a mail merge document, that means we have to prepare the document which you want to see. We have to select the first, it is the letter or the email message or the label or the envelope. What is this? Select it, and after that we prepare the content to send. Creating recipients list. Creating recipients list will give you option use an existing list. That means the list you have prepared earlier. If you want to prepare if you want to prepare the list right now, select type a new list. It will give you option to add the name of the recipients to whom you want to send the document, to send the letter. Insert merge field. Insert merge field give you option to tag the field name to the document, to the document, that which information you want to tag to the document. Viewing the merge data. In this option, viewing the merge data, you can see using the preview option. All the information related to the recipients will attach to the document. When we click on the 1, 2, 3, 4, that means the next, it display all the recipient list with the name directly on the screen. And printing the letter. Printing the letter, that means simply we can take the printout and send to the particular person. These are the steps to create the mail merge.